How to become confident? 1. Identify your strengths. Focus on your positive qualities and accomplishments. 2. Set achievable goals. Break goals into smaller steps and celebrate your successes. 3. Practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with encouraging affirmations. 4. Challenge negative thoughts. Reframe unhelpful beliefs and focus on solutions. 5. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace learning and view failures as opportunities. 6. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive people and avoid criticism. 7. Take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, exercise, and eat a balanced diet. 8. Learn from mistakes. Use failures as chances to grow and improve. Nine. Practice mindfulness. Focus on the present moment and reduce self-doubt. 10. Take risks. Step out of your comfort zone and take calculated risks. 11. Seek feedback. Ask for constructive feedback and use it to improve. 12. Develop a positive body language. Stand tall. Make eye contact and smile. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.